This is the entry-level Galaxy A03. It comes with a 48 megapixel main camera, 6.5 Infinity V screen, 5000 mAh battery for the price of 61k naira. The big question is, what does the A03 have to offer? For people who just bought the A03s, should they upgrade? Or for that person that is about to buy his or her first entry-level Galaxy device, should they make that purchase? Let's find out in the full review. Before I start this review, let's take a look at what's in the box. The box houses a micro USB cable, 7.8 watts charger, the device, and a user manual. As you might expect from the price, the Galaxy A03 doesn't come with bells or whistles, but still there's a big battery and 2 cameras at the back. This device has a 6.5-inch Infinity V screen with 1080p resolution and a droplet-shaped notch for the selfie cam. This screen is nothing special, the pixel density is quite low, and you get a standard 60Hz refresh rate. Colors aren't so accurate and you don't get options to tweak them. To get the best out of this screen, you might have to use max brightness when you're outdoor. But on the plus side, you do get a good contrast on the Infinity V screen. The Galaxy A03 has a traditional headphone jack for audio, as well as a single bottom firing speaker and a micro USB port. For the battery, the Galaxy A03 packs a 5000 mAh battery and it can go for days depending on if you're a heavy or light user. Although the charging speed is really slow with the 7.8 watts charger, I was able to charge it from 0 to 100 in 2 hours plus. You can wake and unlock this device with the power button. It also doubles as a fingerprint scanner. On the left, you can find the SIM or memory card tray. This device comes with 32GB or 64GB storage. The downside to the Galaxy A03 is that you get Android 11 One UI 3.1 Samsung software. This is the same interface as the Galaxy A03s. The A03 comes with a Unisoc 9230 chipset. Playing games is smooth and the phone isn't sluggish, but the graphics are in low frame rate. Moving on to the camera on the back. The Galaxy A03 has a 48 megapixel cam, a 2 megapixel macro, and a depth sensor. In good lighting, photos from the main camera are likeable with accurate colors, good contrast, and wide dynamic range. The level of details isn't anything to write home about, but it's enough for the price though. When you take selfies with the Galaxy A03, you get good colors and contrast, but a very poor level of details. Videos can be recorded with the main camera and up to 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second. Here are some pictures and videos I made with this device. Final conclusion for the Galaxy A03. I really don't expect so much from a device of this price. I think they did a good job with the Infinity V screen, the battery, and the camera upgrade. But at the same time, for this price point, there are other devices out there that will give you a better performance and a better chipset. Overall, I think it's a good device, but I don't think it's a good upgrade. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment, and tell me what you think about the device. So till next time, bye guys.